What's happening, social people? Just want to show you my Parrot Cichlid tank. So basically I had 4 of these. Got this one, this one, this one, and this is a Kong parrot. So I had 4 of them in this 4-foot tank. And the other day I went out, they're growing already. But got this red belly Oscar baby here. Well, he's literally growing. I bought him a couple of weeks ago. They're growing already. And got this, I think it's a tiger one. These colours are lovely. I've just fed them, so that's why there's dust and flying around everywhere. Yeah, and so basically I had 4 parrots. I had 3 normal parrots and 1 Kong parrot, and $1. So also I got these 2 little puppies. Out of the way. There's 2 of them. There's the other one. They're a bit shyer. So there was all that size when I got them. This one's not growing as quick. But yeah, they stick together, them 2. But these 2 are really come out their shell. But yeah. Oh, I also got a little sucker fish, a pleco. He's in there somewhere. So the whole of the rocks was like this, but they're meant to be orange like that. So he's been doing a great job on this half of the tank. But he's still got a lot to do here. He's cleaned the side of this log over here. Yeah, it's just overgrown, but he's doing a great job. I got him a week ago. But these Oscars are only in there temporary until I put them in my other projects I'm working on. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you. Hit me up.